Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my YouTube shorty videos. So today what I wanted to show you is just a couple of tips and tricks about how I use the Smart Tool when I'm working with automation. So first of all, I'm in the Smart Tool right now, and we know that because all three of these tools are highlighted. And so for example, if I were in a different tool of any sort, I can always click this bracket to activate the Smart Tool. Another way to do it is just to click any two of the F keys that are paired to one of these three tools here. So for example, the trimmer tool is F6, selector is F7, grabber is F8. So if I hit any two of those at once, I get the Smart Tool. So when we're in automation, maybe I'll just open up this. It's a little more fun when it's over a waveform. You can just work with the grabber and click and add breakpoints and drag things around. You can work just in the selector and you can highlight breakpoints and delete them if you want. Or you can go into the Smart Tool. So once you're in the Smart Tool, what you can do is you'll notice that the grabber tool isn't active, so I can't just click to add a breakpoint here. So if I want to add a breakpoint, what I'm going to do is hold Command, and then you'll notice the little plus icon next to this grabber tool, and then I just click on the actual automation graph here. You hold Command and click to add breakpoints when you're in the Smart Tool. And then once you've done that, you just hover over the points to activate that grabber tool and move the points around if you want. And if you want to keep holding Command and drag, it gives you a finer movement. So I have to move the mouse a lot more to move it just a tiny bit. So if you want to do more detailed or precise work, you can hold Command and then drag around as well. But I usually just click and drag. So that's one thing that's kind of specific to the Smart Tool. Another thing that's kind of cool is you can still use the selector tool to highlight and then delete breakpoints, or you can use the trim tool. And so this one is kind of specific to the Smart Tool as well. So we're going to use the selector tool to highlight a section. And then if we hover over that, we see it activates that trim tool and we can now drag things down. And it's also kind of fun because you'll notice if I add a bunch of breakpoints and make some sort of pattern here with the volume, which is pretty common, right? So if I have some sort of pattern here, I can also highlight and trim, and you'll notice that it retains that pattern to some extent, right? So it's trying to retain that. So that's another way you can work with it. This is really handy. I actually do this a lot. So this is like the big thing that I wanted to show you guys today, is that trim tool. And again, you can highlight, delete. You can hold Option and delete as well. And you'll notice that it's now a minus sign when I hover over the breakpoint. If I'm holding Option, it makes it a minus sign, right? So Command to add a breakpoint, Option to get rid of one. Yeah, so that's basically it. I didn't want to overwhelm you guys with too much here because it is a shorty episode. So I hope you guys found this useful or helpful, and I will have a longer episode next week. I've been rotating the short episodes and the long episodes every other week. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. If you like this video, please tell your friends about my channel, watch my other videos, or you can even check out my Patreon. The link to that is in the description below. And I am trying to up my view minutes because I did get demonetized when YouTube made all those changes a while back, and I'm still working to get back there. So if you know anyone that might find my channel helpful, then please tell them about it. That would be great. Word of mouth is so crucial for me here. So if you find my stuff useful, please, share it, watch my other videos, all that stuff. Yeah. And if you guys want to connect on Instagram, my Instagram is @CatoNoise. So come say hi. So yeah, that's it for today. I will be coming out with new videos every Wednesday, and thank you for watching. Okay.